Hey there, it's Nancy, the Lipstick Boss. I want to show you how to use the lip and cheek cream from Lipstick Boss. I'm using the shade Swept Away, which is like a peachy pink. It's perfect for the light color code, also for the soft color code. And so here is some instruction about technique, especially if you're more mature. So we want to make sure that we're placing the cream on the cheeks in the right place. So what we're going to do is we don't want to go lower than where your nose is. And we don't want to go right on the apples of the cheek, because when you're smiling and then not smiling, it's down here. What we really want to do is we want to just place it and pat it right on the cheekbone and kind of push it into the temple. All right? Then you want to take a little bit and pop it right on your lips. There you go.